Hi, bud. Are you ready to give the room tour? You are? Okay. Welcome to San Diego. This is our room at the Marriott Residence Inn downtown Bayfront. And right when we walk in, we have a full kitchen. What? Yeah. So we have cabinets, we have a microwave, we have a full-size fridge with freezer, fancy. We have a dishwasher, apparently, which is crazy. But I guess in case we need to do dishes. Let's see what's in our cabinets. Oh, we have dishes. Well, look at this. Well, this is just fancy. Look at that. We have dishes. We have our soaps and paper towels. We have our coffee maker and assorted coffees. We have a stove. Wow, neat. Got garbage down here. There's a door where we walked in. All right, hey. Got a full-size mirror over here on the wall. And our closet, which is pretty large. Hangers, ironing board, iron, luggage rack, excuse my backpack. We've got your extra pillows. And then we have our king-size bed, which we'll back up so we can see all of it. It's pretty great. I like that artwork above the bed as well. And then over here, got a phone, plugs, and USB over here on this side, and also on the other side, more USBs and plugs. Nice. And alarm clock. Got a chair, and then you've got your desk and TV over here with more storage underneath. Two drawers in case you want to unpack. Nice. And then you've got a couch, which does convert into a sleeper in case you have more than just you, like we do staying here. If you've got more people, you can convert this sofa into a bed. And got a lamp. I will say, if you look at this, we have like 180 degrees of windows. This is pretty crazy. This view tomorrow we'll show you again in the daytime. It's nighttime. We had a little adventure on the way here. We'll tell you about that in a future video. It was a little planes, trains, and automobiles, but it was fun and we made it, but we're here, and it's a little bit late. So we will do a daytime video of this view coming up later so that you can see it, because it looks pretty spectacular. We're over here on the end and we've got a lot of windows, and that is gorgeous. Then we've got our bathroom here with the big sliding door. And toilet. You've got your sink. Lots of extra towels. And you got your soap. Got a really nice mirror. And you got your shower over here with a little ledge. And a little chair in case you want to sit down. And then you've got your 39° North products, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Looks pretty great. Shower head looks nice. This will be perfect. This will do just fine. Yeah.
So we discovered a few more things in our little kitchen here. We also have a toaster in case we need to toast anything. And if we're cooking on our stove here, there's pans. They gave us pans. How cool is this? And also, all the silverware we need. Any kind of cooking utensils. Look at this. this, guys. High marks. High marks for this kitchen in this room. We like it so much. So here's a little bit better view outside our window, daytime. You can see down to Comic-Con. There is the, I think that's the Lord of the Rings wrap on the hotel there. That's where we go every day. Other side of the Marriott there. We're really not too far. It's not a bad walk at all. It's really maybe about 15 minutes, maybe just straight down that street, make a left, and you're pretty much there. The other thing we noticed in the daytime is that we have a view of the pool. Look at that. There's the pool right there. People enjoying it. It's a nice day here in San Diego. Beautiful sky. We're gonna go over to the other window here. As we mentioned in the video last night when we were checked in, we are right across from the train station. There is the train going out. It's right there. So this is a very good location. We like it a lot.